We have a breakthrough here that seems to have started from a kiss. So a kiss that you've had with a person has changed everything. It's changed the game. I don't know if it's the first kiss or it was just a moment that you had that changed things. It was different, maybe more intimate. It just shows here, it made this person feel as though you were their destiny. It may have also made you feel like that as well. So even if you kind of don't know where you're at in this connection, or you're not sure where it's going, or if it's something new and you've just kissed this person and it's felt like, oh my gosh, what's happening here is a breakthrough, a rebirth. So again, it could be someone that you've not seen in a while that's come back in and you've had a kiss and it's kind of brought back all of those feelings and put you back in a place where you feel in love with this person. But I can tell you that this person is going over and over and over this in their mind. So that kiss has stayed with this person and there's just love all around this. Okay, so they've tried to shrug it off there, it keeps showing, but they can't seem to escape it. They just cannot stop thinking about you. So also it's just showing here, it's made everybody look at the situation with a different kind of perspective. So let's take a look and see what else they're giving on this information. So maybe in the past it was toxic, this relationship, or this person has been, and meeting you, it's changed them. It just shows a new beginning. So it could be that you've been together before, you separated, you come back, you're going to have this kiss, it's going to change everything. And it just kind of rebirths the connection again. But it looks in a very positive way. So you've got the shock there, big shock. I don't think either of you are expecting to feel this when it happens. The attraction that comes off this is going to be hot. So this is exciting. I think it's kind of, maybe you've been in your comfort zone, either thinking that you're not going to find someone or thinking that that person's not coming back. You end up seeing them, meeting someone new, you kiss, and that's it. Game over. So I do like this for you. It shows that you're going to try and play it cool, but you're going to fail miserably because you're both hooked. That's what's happened. So the kiss has changed everything. I like this, it's kind of romantic. Also shows here that there's kind of a conversation coming, a revealment of sorts where you talk about things and you're determined to make this work. It does show summertime here and it does show communication. So whether you're talking about the summertime, past or future, that's what's coming in. Also shows this connection now has a new level of peace or will bring a new level of peace. So I like this for you. It looks healthy, it looks good, it looks like we're having a breakthrough here, it looks like it's time to finally move forward in the right way. Let's just check with the tarot, see what they're saying. Yeah, you're moving forward. You're moving forward to a new emotional place, something that's healthy, something that's balanced, something that feels good. You might also be taking a trip because we've got the world following that as well. And we've got the 10 of Cups. This looks really good. So whatever's been going on, whether this is a new person, whether this is an old person coming back, whatever is happening here, it looks very good. You're going to get your fulfillment. You're going to get your happy ever after. It's kind of best card in the deck. It's going to be good.